Yeah, well, my name's Jack Whiteford. I work for DGC Contractors. I'm the workshop coordinator, and this is our truck that we've had for about, well, coming on 12 months now. The truck's a good product. We make very good use of this truck. The truck's massive asset to the company. Being a tilt tray, it's very, very versatile in picking up equipment, containers, trailers, dropping off forklifts, plants and equipment. We work on various sites throughout the area, mainly the coal ports. We work probably 24/7 in a lot of jobs. We've got one truck driver that meticulously looks after this truck. He's an asset to the company, and so is the truck. We've upgraded. We only had a single steer and a single axle. Now with the twin axle with twin steer, we can move bigger loads, better loads, and yeah, we're very, very pleased with it. Having a product that doesn't let us down. I mean, the product's got to perform every time we need it to perform. No breakdowns is good for production, and it's good for everybody. We do fabrication, steelwork, we do concrete remediation, we do painting and blasting. We're very versatile in what we do. We've done work in Melbourne, we've done work in the Bowen Basin, we've done work up at Cairns, Townsville, etc. But mainly the coal ports where we sort of focus on.